have any car in the whole world.
Ferrari F40. You told me this 147 times. You drew it on your math paper at school instead of doing work.
Okay, true. But which car would I pick in real life?
The Batmobile?
This, Porsche 944. Second place in my heart and first place for logic. It has a back seat, so I might be able to talk my dad into getting one.
Wait, that thing has a back seat? It's like a Matchbox on wheels.
Yeah, but it's perfect. Not like my dad's El Camino. I can't decide if it's a truck or a car.
Yeah, that thing's like a reverse mullet. Party in the front and the business in the back.
If I have a 944, I would drive it to the Red River Gorge with the sunroof off, blasting some poison. Maybe stop for an L8 and a gas station chili dog.
You'd throw up halfway through Wolf County.
Totally worth it, dude.
You're gonna be one of those guys on TV someday. Like Kentucky's own car whisperer. You'll fix old cars and yell out torque.
Yes, true. And you're gonna be the guy reading the manual out loud telling me to slow down.
You're not wrong. That sounds fun to me.
Me too. You wanna ride bikes to the library and pick out cassettes?
Just don't tell my dad. You know how he feels about secular music.
You out there slaving on the job, here's some poison to get you thinking about those good times.
Here at Exhausted Exotics, we exclusively use Crushproof Tubing garage exhaust hose, made right here in the USA. Go to exhaustaway.com to buy yours today.
Yeah, so how many cassettes do we have in the holder here?
All right, let's see. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, possibly 9.
All right, there's 3 of us.
Okay.
So that means 3 cassettes each. So we each get to pick three cassettes.
Okay, I think we need to do like a whole spectrum. So
Sure.
Does everybody get like a kind of a different 80s genre, and then of that we have to pick different ones of each?
I think that you just have to pick 3 distinct types of genres. It doesn't, you know what I mean? It's like, so you get you get metal, hip hop. What do you mean? What do you have? Metal, hip hop,
Yacht rock,
new wave, yacht rock.
They even have, I don't think metal was so much of a thing back then.
Yeah, you had Metallica was putting out their best records.
Really?
Then, yeah.
Thanks.
Rex.
I feel like you know more about the harder stuff.
Yeah.
I feel like I should be the yacht rock sommelier.
Yeah. See,
Maybe.
And my goal, I was gonna do a new wave, metal, and probably hip hop.
New wave. What is new wave?
I was gonna go like, I was gonna do Tears for Fears.
Oh, okay, I get you. Okay.
Yeah.
What's this man into? What does he know of the 80s?
That's a good question.
Do we want to find out, or do we just want to roll with it?
I think I'm going to
Let him be the wild card.
Yeah.
Should we not even? Wait, do you have anything that you're vibing on right now?
I'll surprise you when we get
Oh,
there.
Lord, I'm going to be surprised. So, since I haven't been here since last time, your radio works now.
It does.
What'd you have to do to it?
Well, we took it out, which was actually quite an endeavor. It did not want to
Put the
pop
holes
out.
in there?
Yeah, it didn't want to pop out easy. It was like somebody concreted it in there.
Oh, God.
Remember the old Super Glue commercial from the 80s where they held a car from the frame?
Crazy glue, strong enough to hold this woman suspended in midair.
We finally got it out carefully, which took forever, way more time than I wanted it to take. Nothing worked, so we sent it to this place in Pennsylvania. And, they ended up rebuilding it for us and sending it back to us. So. All right, we are here.
Is this where we're going?
This is where we're going.
Heights?
No, that's it's if we want to buy some.
Oh, damn! Look at that, dude. This straight does look like the 80s. Nothing's changed.
Record exchange.
I don't think the parking lot's been repaved since the 80s either.
You mean 1969?
This is like
since it was a slot car track.
Monster truck to get through it.
Yes.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
9 cassettes and 9
3
minutes.
each.
Yeah.
Oh, we got 9 minutes?
No, we don't.
Oh, okay.
We did. Here we go. I'm gonna check over here at the expensive records.
You gotta get that weird cassette.
No, the German one? No, thanks.
You're not getting it?
No.
Oh yeah, I have a whole vibe that I didn't think I was gonna go with, but I have. So here we are.
Nice.
John, you got stuff?
I do. I got
All right,
too
what we
many.
got? Come on in here.
What you got first?
What do you got, John?
All
Oh,
right,
you want me to go first?
No, go for it.
I've decided to go with all 80s chicks.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, very important, the motion picture soundtrack to Flashdance.
Nice.
Nextly, Carly Simon.
Nice.
And then lastly, because a forgotten 80s treasure, Gloria Estefan, Miami Sound Machine. You're welcome.
Nice. That's prior to her like being the marquee, right?
What does that mean, the marquee?
That became Gloria Estefan and the Miami Sound Machine, but this is just Miami
you're
Sound
right.
Machine.
This is just Miami Sound Machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was it. This was
was
the
it.
80s for me, like going around with my parents.
Nice.
What do you got?
What do you got going on
Well, yeah, I don't know how 80s this is gonna be.
there? Yeah.
But I got some Jimi Hendrix.
Yeah.
I think.
That would be definitely the
This is
60s.
More of a wild card, like you were saying.
Oh!
Some
James Bond. So that's
Ooh,
Roger Moore
Roger
featured on there.
Moore.
So we got the 70s going on there.
Oh!
That's a nice pick.
Right?
I'm jealous. Where'd you get that? Where'd you find that?
Right now, the soundtracks, right?
God darn it.
Right. And the last, this could be 80s or 90s.
What's this?
Well, it's right on the
Ryan
cusp.
Adams.
Yeah, it's waking up the
right on the
numbers.
edge. Let's see what it is.
Yeah, there's my cousin had that record and would play it all the time. She had a huge crush on Bryan Adams.
Nice.
Yeah, they all did, didn't they?
Yeah, I could play a couple of his songs on my guitar. So.
There you go. Yeah, I forget which one the popular.
91.
Oh.
Yeah, you're just out of the
You're a little
cusp.
too edgy
That's
there.
okay.
A little too edgy there.
If you average your Jimi Hendrix and your Bryan Adams, you're right in the middle of the 80s.
We could do
I
that.
guess that hits it.
So that works. So I'm having some trouble deciding here.
Yo.
So there's nothing in my mind that's more 80s than Motley Crue's "Shout at the Devil."
Accurate. Look at that hair.
I mean, look at that. I mean, it rivals ours. So,
Yeah.
but this like it's a little bit Satan-y for my liking. So then there's also like Stryper's "To Hell with the Devil." So I think if I buy both of these records, then they kind of average out back to neutral.
Carly Simon will bring you back. It's the cleanse for
But then
your
there's like
satanic-
Graceland, which is like an actual real record.
What?
Graceland by Paul Simon.
Okay.
Great record. Howard Jones, one of my favorite guys.
Yes.
Genesis, Invisible Touch.
You're
I
out
mean,
of control here, buddy.
I am out of control. And then Cocktails soundtrack with Tom Cruise. Like
Cocktail
this one was like
soundtrack. What's on
amazing.
here?
Oh, there's lots of great
Really?
stuff on here. Nice. So you have the Hippie Hippie Shake. You have Don't Worry Be Happy with Bobby McFerrin.
Mm-hmm.
That's where that came from. You also have the Beach Boys. I think did something ridiculous on this one. I don't remember which one the Beach
Well,
Boys.
you're definitely going to have to do one of those hairband things because you're the only one representing with that.
For sure.
That's true.
For sure. Oh yeah, it was Kokomo. This is where Kokomo was from.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So it's
we need a hairband there. One of those.
we do.
If you're doing cocktail, then you're going to have to pick the most 80s dude thing because I've got the chill vibes with this stuff here.
So I think I'm gonna put this is such a good record though.
Invisible Touch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. When it comes down to it, like I would listen to these like the least.
Would you?
Yeah. These are the two that I would actually.
Well,
jam
here's
to.
the truth of the 80s. We all think the 80s is how we dress right now. The 80s wasn't.
I know.
The 80s was Miami Sound Machine
Uh-huh.
at the mall.
All right. Right. It is. So maybe we just maybe we get all of these records,
That's a good idea.
cassettes, and then we can just whoever buys the car gets to keep the bounty.
Oh, I like that. Okay.
All
Yeah,
right.
that's a good idea.
Let's cash out and head back to the shop.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, man. Have a good one.
Thanks, guys.
Let's do it.
Nice. I think we did all right.
I think so. All right, let's rock and roll. Back to the shop.
Yeah,
All
dude.
right, let's roll.
All right.
out
Do
some
I
jams.
just grab something?
Yeah, let's make it super random.
I am super random. I'm looking at you so you know I'm not doing it. I'm just grabbing one. What did I grab? Oh, God.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no, Carly Simon.
It was, I swear that was random. This is right in the middle. God, what on earth have I done?
Yes. Five. This is the real 80s. It is. If you feel a bodyguard, I can be your lost All right, so we are happy to wrap up our 80s extravaganza here at Exhausted Exotics. So it was a fun time heading out to Allied Record Exchange and picking up some cassettes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
fun times.
Yeah, so radio's fixed now, so that's great. So we can have AM, we have FM, and we have cassettes.
Cassettes too, yeah.
I also, as you saw, logged in those nine cassettes in the center console, so we're ready to go there, and we have an extra 3 to switch in and switch out as needed. So when we sell this car at the end of the series, that's going to help get it over the hump there with pricing.
Oh yeah.
Those hard to find cassette tapes. So. So next week we're gonna come back and we're gonna do brakes.
Oh yeah.
So
Excited.
We'll see you next week.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're gonna do that thing's a matchbox on wheel, and Elijah's gonna come directly in and say, "Yeah, but it's perfect, not like my dad's El Camino."
That thing's like a matchbox on wheels.
Well, not perfect like my L.
Yeah, but
It is.
Yeah, you say yes, but it's perfect. And so again,
Okay.
Dylan, wait, that thing has a back seat. It's basically a matchbox on wheels.
Wait, that thing has a back seat? It's like a matchbox on wheels.
Yes, it is.
No, you say yes, but it's perfect. All right, let's try again. Let's try again.
Yes.
Put that in the outtakes.
Oh yeah.
See, here's your.
Whoa, dude.
Yours comes with sunglasses.
Oh nice.
Reads when they show like David Lee Roth or like I don't know, Mickey Rourke, and they're slowly transitioning to being able to live.
What the hell?
I've seen that before. I want to see this. Dude, that works. Looks like our drug dealer.
Yeah, it works out perfect.
Can't even see
Where did
myself
my
here.
wig go?
Huh?
I had a wig. It wasn't this one. It was.
Oh, you can have this one.
No, there's.
Right.
No, it does not.
You just sent that picture to your wife. Yeah, there was another one there.
There was another one.
Holy shit.
At home tonight.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
look
it goes
like
with the bandana.
I've been in the woods for ages.
Did I know? I was too young for that.
Nice, I like yours.
You just need your guitar now.
Holy shit.
Oh gosh, I gotta put on my 80s outfit.
Okay.